Assalamu alaikum viewers. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidun Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidun Majid. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today I am describing the silsila Qalanderia, the Sufism order Qalanderia, about the Sufism order Qalanderia, in which we get spiritual power from five spirits, which are Sayyidina Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Sayyida Fatima Salamullah Alaiha, Sayyidina Hazrat Ali Alayhi Salatu Wasalam, Sayyidina Hazrat Imam Hassan Alayhi Salatu Wasalam, Sayyidina Imam Hussain Alayhi Salatu Wasalam. In last lesson, Latifa Ruh is here and right side and opposite to heart. This is heart and left side, and this is Ruh. Now in the key of the Ruh, door of Ruh, is at Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salatu wassalam. And we have say greetings or salam to Sayyidina Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam in the practice of meditation of Latifa Ruh. And we have to imagine the color red color. And the next step is the zikr of Siri, Latifa Siri. If anyone wants to alive Latifa Siri, then he must say salam to Hazrat Ali alayhi salatu wassalam, or say greetings to Hazrat Ali alayhi salatu wassalam. And imagine that there is a word Allah in Arabic written on this is the left side on the heart, and upper side of the heart is Siri. Here we have to imagination and Allah written on the Latifa Siri in white color, and we have imagined a white noor, white light like a clouds color, white snow color. It is it is the natural color of the Latifa Siri. So in the next step is Latifa Khafi, and Latifa Khafi is the right side upper the Ruh. Is the color is a green color, and we have to save the salam or save the greetings to Sayyidina Hazrat Imam Hassan alayhi salatu wassalam, because the key of the Latifa Khafi is at Hazrat Imam Hassan alayhi salatu wassalam. The imagination color is green color, and the last is the between there is a Latifa Akfa is belongs to Sayyidina Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. His color is blue or black color. Imagination color is blue or black. You will imagine daily 15 minutes or half hour as your business, as you are busy. I don't know that you choose some time and say salam and do imagination zikr and uh, this is the way of meditation, and your zikr is up and ho out in. this is the this is the way. And then when uh, kalab clears, opens the door, Sida Fatma Salamullah Alaiha, you will see the angels. And if you the door of roof opened, then you will meet or speak with spirits. And that's all, and more spiritual things are in. And Hazrat Ali alayhi salatu wasalam said, there is a universe, greatest universe in you than outer universe. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.